Hey guys, okay, so we've come to the Oranjezigt Market. It's a weekend market, pretty. Down there we'll show you there's like pretty views, the food's amazing. It's got like fresh fruits and vegetables as well. Flowers, Adenes Flowers, they've got a little store here. It's just a super cute farm market, so yeah. And you know me, I love a market. So we've come here for the morning and we're just gonna have a really nice time. Getting the coffee, we need the coffee first.
Despite its name, the Oranjezigt City Farm Market is conveniently located in Granger Bay, next to the V&A waterfront. I absolutely loved this market. Other than the amazing food on offer, it just has such a cool vibe and is definitely the place to be every Saturday and Sunday morning. There's such a wonderful mix of food stalls, with so much to choose from. From savory to sweet, there's something to delight everyone. How good does this food look? My sister had the salmon and cream cheese bagel, and I got the shawarma. The market caters for all, including our vegan, vegetarian and raw foodie friends, as well as those that prefer wheat, gluten and or dairy-free alternatives. Not only can you purchase fresh produce here, just look at those mushrooms. You can't beat the smell of cooked mushrooms. You also have a variety of other options. Baked and fried goods, and sweet treats and delicious desserts. Artisanal decor, and one of the most extensive ranges of olive oils and vinegars I've ever seen in my life. I mean, just look at this. And there's more. Even microgreens that you can turn into a smoothie if you're into that kind of thing. This market has it all. The store for Adenes Farm Flowers overflows with blooms, dried foliage, linen and seeds, and the colors and fragrance is just exceptional. How gorgeous are these flowers? I wish I could have taken some home with me. Here's some more fresh produce that you can buy. A lot of people actually do their weekly shop here for their fresh fruits and vegetables because just look at this quality. There's also a lifestyle section, selling an array of carefully curated artisanal ceramics and decor, clothing, vintage items, houseplants, and even pet accessories. The little ones have not been forgotten either, and you can spoil them with these cute little stuffed toys. Yep, that's right, dogs are welcome at this market. However, there are a few rules that need to be adhered to if you want your furry friend to accompany you. One such rule is to keep your dog on a short leash. One of the stalls here is called Chommies and it sells all these different kind of pet accessories. Grab something cute for your little pup because there's so much to choose from and all different shapes and sizes. Oh, and did you know Chommies is a local slang for friends or buddies? I highly recommend this market, so be sure to grab a seat at one of the outdoor tables, soak up the beautiful sea views and enjoy the relaxed atmosphere. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to be sure to catch more of my upcoming videos relating to Cape Town. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!